What's going on, everybody? It's Adam Pipino back here with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the exact exhaust setup that I have. I had people in my other videos asking in the comments like what kind of exhaust I have. They heard the burble, so I'm going to go over my burble tune and I'm going to let you guys hear what that sounds like and just go over basically what I have. If this is your first time coming to the channel and seeing me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before next year. So in January, I'm at like 260 now, something like that. And I'm trying to hit 1,000 before next year. So definitely subscribe to the video and leave a like. And let me know in the comments what you think of the video and what other videos you guys want to watch. It's a beautiful day out here in South Jersey. This is my dad F-150 Platinum. We're gonna go take a drive and you guys are gonna hear what the car sounds like. When I was working for my detail company, I detailed my dad's truck and it comes out really nice when it's clean. Also, I have made a change to the car. Someone pointed out in the last video that something was off and I personally didn't like what was going on with it, so I fixed it. I'm about to show you guys what I fixed. So here's the car all parked up in the parking lot. I live in a townhome community for now, the time being before I move, and I have to park in the parking lot, which sucks, but you know, I do what I gotta do. So this is the thing I fixed. I had the diffuser on each side of it and it was sticking out way too far because of my mufflers and I couldn't fix it. So I took the sides off and I'm gonna cut them to make them fit better. But it still doesn't look bad with just the middle diffuser on it. All right, so let's go for a drive and I'll explain what exact exhaust system I have and what I'm running in the engine and the cab back. So first, let's start it up. Never get old of that. It's loud. This is a cold start, by the way, too. All right, so before we go, we gotta pop this into Sport Plus mode. And then I like to put the steering into comfort and we're good to go. Let's roll down the windows for you guys and you'll be able to hear exactly what this sounds like. So I have a Ford Performance by Borla exhaust. It's around $1,500 retail. I also have it paired with the stainless power long tube headers. I went over all this in other videos, but I have comments and more that people want to get in a more depth detail of what I have. So those are the two things I have. I do have a Roush cold air intake, but this is mainly just for an exhaust video. I'm going over exactly what I have. All right, so while the car is warming up, I figured I'd talk to you guys about what the tune is that I have on this because people want to know about the burble. So when I originally bought this car from Texas, it did come with a tune. It came from a tune from the dealership that I got it with. The last person who owned this car must have tuned it. And with that tune is a burble tune. So if you guys don't know what a burble tune is, a burble tune is, it sounds like pops, but it's like really fast pops. It's like pop, 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 like really fast. Compared to a popcorn tune, which is like pop, pop, pop. Like it's longer distance from when it pops. I did get a popcorn tune on this car before, but it was so obnoxious that I had to go right back to the burble tune. Like, it was fun and all for the first couple of days of having it, but it was so obnoxious. Like, I would be slowing down. As I'm slowing down at a red light, it would just be popping, popping, popping. I do have videos of it, so I will insert those videos later into the video later, so you'll be able to hear what that sounds like. And I'm gonna do some driving now, and you're gonna hear what the burble sounds like. All right, so the car isn't fully warmed up yet, so I'm not really gonna hit it. But this is what it sounds like. Just at normal speed, just normal driving. And when you're driving without hitting the gas, there's no, like, I don't know what the word for it, but you can easily hear yourself in here talking to a passenger. You got a passenger in the seat, you can easily talk to them. But if you like hit it, you won't be able to hear them. All right, I'll hit a tiny bit right here. You can hear the pops a little bit. If I hit it the right way, like a certain way, it will pop a lot. Just not like a crazy ton, but it'll pop like to the point where you definitely know it was a burble tune. All right, let's put these windows down all the way for you guys. That way you can hear it to the full extent of it. And I'm gonna try to get some burble pops when I make a turn here. Downshifts. Oh, that may be a cop. pop there for you. Alright, I'm gonna try to hit it here so you can hear some pops. Alright, let's go straight away. There's the pops for you. That's that burble tune. It sounds really nice. Force it to turn here. Here's a nice little spot behind my gym I like to come to. I'll park right there. And the steering of this thing is great. So let's pop that baby into reverse. Perfect. Right in the spot. And we're gonna talk about the car. Alright guys, so that is a little bit of what the car sounds like, and later in the video I'm definitely gonna pop up some more clips of the burble tune. And I also had a ghost cam, which I'm gonna put a video of what that used to sound like. Alright, so this is the exhaust I have. This is what it looks like. It's Ford Performance by Borla, like I've gone over before, paired with stainless long tube headers in the front. And as you can tell, it gets really rowdy when you hit it, but when you're not really hitting it, it's perfect for daily driving. I daily drive this car, drive it every day. I love it. And I get on it when I want to, and it gets rowdy when I need to. And when I don't, it's perfect for just cruising. All right, so let's talk about the ghost cam that I used to have for this car. We're gonna talk about why I got rid of it, why I got it, what is a ghost cam. If you're not sure what a ghost cam is, I'll talk about that. Okay, so a ghost cam is just for the sound of it, basically. A ghost cam is a fake cam. It makes it chop like you hear in the Corvettes and the Camaros. I got it, my tuner put it on when he gave me that popcorn tune. I also got the burble tune. This is all when he installed my headers. So he gave me the ghost cam, and he warned me that there is some problems when putting it on this kind of Mustang. So the problem that I ran into was when I would like come to stops, the RPM thing would go all the way down to 0, like when you come to a stop, but then because of the cam, it would go so low, it would just drop and turn the whole car off. So I would be in the middle of an intersection, about to turn left at a light, and the car would just completely shut off. And it was not okay, obviously, for safety reasons, but God, I loved the sound of it. I definitely want to get a real cam one day so I don't have to run with those issues. Just for the sound of it, though, it was amazing. So I'm gonna put in a clip of what that sounded like right now. Yes, I know those chops are wonderful, and everyone would love that for a car, but I just can't do it with this car. One day, maybe a real cam, but the ghost cam is not the move for this car right now. All right, so the burble tune. Let's talk about the burble tune. So you guys heard in the video the burble tune. When you hit it, it pops. Sounds really good compared to the popcorn tune, which I had. And so I had to get rid of the popcorn tune because it was just so obnoxious. I liked it at first, but then it just not for a Mustang. It may be a JDM car, BMW, just not a Mustang. So I'm gonna upload a video of what the popcorn tune sounded like. I'm warning you, it's very obnoxious. So here's what it sounds like. Yeah.
I don't even know stuff.
It's crazy.
Because, you know, they don't want you knowing things, because if you leak things out, it could be bad.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just making a video.
Mustang. My son had a Mustang. He had a 5-speed.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he had a, what was it, 90? He was born in 91, so it was like a 96 or a 98, I think he had.
This is an 18. I had a 15 before. It was a red convertible.
Yeah, he liked it. But then he, you know, he got married and he decided they were going to have a family, so he sold it.
Yeah.
You know, and I don't blame them.
Yeah.
So.
It's mostly for the fun. That's what I got it for.
Yeah,
fun.
yeah. Enjoy it while you have it, you know.
Yeah, we'll do.
So.
All right, well, you have a good day.
You too. All the best with your car. Did you just get it?
No, I've had this. I got it last year, I think. It was my third one, actually, because I had one just like it, and then I got hit, totaled.
Ooh, I'm
So,
sorry. In the back?
Yeah, I got hit right. The tire came out and everything.
Oh,
So, yeah, but I got this after.
They
From
must
Texas.
have hit you hard.
Yeah, they're going like 50. I was a dead stop. Yeah.
I went through that with a Suburban, and you know how big they are.
Yeah.
A girl hit me. I had a 97 Suburban, and she hit me from the back. She bent the frame in it.
Wow.
Yeah, she was going 60 in a 30.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
the guy was on his phone that hit me.
you weren't hurt, were you?
Nah, I was.
Thank God.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, people drive crazy. They really do. They don't pay attention.
Just got to be aware of your surroundings and what you're doing.
I'm never on my phone when I'm driving.
Yeah.
Never. If I put it on speakerphone, that's it. But I'm not doing this.
Yeah, that's why the new technology, they have it so you can just talk and hear and like through the
Yeah, the
surround sound.
Bluetooth.
Yeah, the Bluetooth.
Yeah, I don't have that in my vehicle. But yeah, I just you know, hit the speakerphone and hands are totally not touching anything. You know.
Yeah.
If you absolutely have to. But I don't even think pulling over on the side of the road is safe. You should just, you know, go in a parking lot or go in some place and off the road, not on the road. Because people are so distracted.
That's why I got a dash cam on my front and the back. That way if people like do something to it and they say they didn't, I have proof that they did. It records at all times. So that's pro of having that.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that helps.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on here, but this is
Yeah, I come out here and film videos for people on YouTube. This is where I always come. There's usually quiet back here.
yeah. It was coming down pretty hard, raining earlier.
Yeah. It's nice now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Air brakes.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy your video.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Nice talking.
Thanks. I got a little crackhead or something. I don't know. Just came over and started talking to me. She's always actually though. We just had like a 10-minute convo. That's crazy. Alright, anyways, where was I with the video? Oh yeah, the burble tune before that lady came over. Yeah, the burble tune, it's much better than the popcorn, as you can see from the video, and this exhaust is very loud, so I'm sure you guys want to hear what it sounds like. So I'm gonna show you guys some revving. Alright, so that's what this car sounds like revving. It's very nice, very loud. I used that clip in other videos. That's just what this sounds like. And I'll upload a video of it doing a flyby just so you guys can hear what it sounds like from the outside as well. So yeah guys, this is the car. I'm trying to build it. Maybe get a supercharger on it one day. Depends how well this channel does, and you guys help me out and people want to see it, I will do it. Just let me know in the comments. Help me grow this channel and I will get anything you guys want in this car. I want this car to be my build and also your build. So I need your input on the car, what you want it, shoot, I can't even talk. What you want done to the car and what I want done to the car, and together we'll make this our car. So definitely leave a comment of what you would like done to this car. All right, guys, so this is what a warm start of this car sounds like. Oh yeah. Damn, that's loud. God dang. All right, let's make sure it's coming around this corner. I don't think I'm going to be able to do any hard pulls for you guys because there's a lot of traffic out today. It's a very nice day. But one day later, I'll make a video and I'll be on the highway and I'll definitely do some hard pulls for you guys. But I'm still going to be doing some pulls right now, just not like to the full extent of it, just so you can hear the exhaust. Like I'm barely hitting it, it's loud. Like I barely touched that. So nice. I got a great video coming up for you guys towards the end of the month, October. I got a great video idea. I cannot wait to make this video. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that video because it's going to be probably the best video I ever make on this channel. I can't wait. I've had some people in my last couple of videos comment that I'm destroying the car because there's louvers and stuff all over the car to make it look nice. Well, this car isn't made just to be fast. Yes, it's got the performance mods that I need just to be faster than the normal car. And then I had people defending me in the comments saying how just leave me alone, they're the problem with the car community, and I agree. So I think this is a great car for looks and performance wise. It's not just made for a fast car. If it was just a fast car, I wouldn't have all this stuff on it. But yeah, that's what I like it. So much traffic out today. Downshift. Downshifts are just so nice. It's like music to my ears. But yeah, guys, if you haven't seen the car before, this is the inside. I got carbon fiber, very roomy in here. I got Drake and SpongeBob. Man, you all should definitely subscribe, man. Y'all need more of this. Come on, man. Maybe this is why I be running out of gas so fast all the time. I be hitting it for no reason, just hitting it. But I can't stop. It's like an addiction. I literally live off like the bumpiest road in America. There's so many bumps on this road. They're about to fix all this construction. I hate it. I can't wait to move and get out of here. It's so bumpy. If you guys want more point of view driving videos, just let me know in the comments and I got you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys leave a like and definitely subscribe in this video. I'm trying to grow my channel as much as I can. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before January. So definitely leave a like on the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think of it and what other videos you want to watch. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.